One of the things to keep in mind is that Google Analytics is a very dynamic service. And the page I'm looking at right now may be very different from the page you will see when you go and look at it. And just because it doesn't look exactly like it looks on the screen right now, that's not a reason for you to get upset or go, oh, it's broken, something's terribly wrong. No, it's changing. It's always changing. They're trying to add new features and improve it. I'm on the home page and I'm looking at real-time the overview, and it is saying at this particular moment there are 9 people. Well, somebody else just came to the page, and let's see, all 9 people are in Troy, so for some reason they're well, I can look down here and see it's probably 3312 or 1102. One of the other classes are in there doing something at this particular moment. There are other things that we can look at. For example, I'm going to click on standard reporting, and this is telling me that, let me go up to the overall overview. This is telling me that 3,366 people have been to the web page in the last month. But we can kind of look and see, during the Christmas vacation, there's like 30, 40, 30, 30, 30. Not a lot. There's a bump on January the 6th. It goes, well, it doubles. And you can definitely tell when classes start. There's a weekend. Saturday, Monday, not a lot going on, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so you can see what's going on. There are other things that you can look at. For example, we can ask it about location. Where are all these people coming from? Well, I'm going to say I want to see this by city. Google Analytics is thinking about it. There we go. The little dots indicate where people have gone to the Hall School web page. One person from Nairobi. There's just kind of all over the place. All right, let's see. Stanford, 82 people coming from San Francisco. That's kind of interesting. In fact, we can kind of look down here and see that primarily the visits are coming from Troy, Montgomery, but then it goes to Enterprise, Alabama, San Francisco. I don't even know where Evans is. I hope I didn't offend someone. We are certainly popular in Calcutta. So there's all kinds of things that we can look at. We can see what pages are people basically looking at. We can see where the high hits are from there. Let's look at the search terms that people are using when they use a search engine to get to us. Well, that didn't do anything, did it? Alright, where is it? Maybe it's under here. An organic search, by the way, is a non-paid search. Well, this is telling me there's 157 terms. It's only showing me 10. Let me pull up all the terms. Evidently there's something called how to fail a class. That seems to be a pretty popular search item. HSJC JLab, journalism, public relations syllabus. You can see all the terms that people have used in the search engines and landed on Troy's, the Hall School's web page. Well, Professor Gallagher's certainly something people are searching for. Oh, finally me! Misspelled! Oh well, so much for ego. So there's a lot of information that's here, and this is certainly better than the old hit counter. The old hit counter basically saying somebody went to your page and giving a somewhat inflated number. These are not inflated numbers. These are individuals that are actually on your page. Another thing that's kind of interesting, let me go back to the overview. This number, when someone comes to our web page, they're averaging 6.27 pages per visit, and they're spending 18 minutes 45 seconds on our website. That's absolutely phenomenal. Now, granted, a lot of them are probably working on assignments and stuff like that, but the numbers are really amazing. Mobile devices, iPhones, iPads. We are seeing people coming in with droids from various directions. So there's all this information that you can get through Google Analytics. And the interesting thing to me is the fact that Google makes this freely available. They don't charge people for using Google Analytics. So we're going to add some information to our web pages so that we can start answering that question, is anyone looking at my web page?